The little bird. The little bird fell off the roof this morning. No, it wasn't raining. No, the bird wasn't neglected. Its mother is searching it everywhere. The little bird is lying on the cement now. It's still alive, gasping for breath. Its wings are fluttering. I think it's crying. The little bird is in our hands now. We are searching for its mother. We hear her cries up on the roof. Come down, we are calling to her. Come down, mother. My son is taking the ladder courageously. He's going up to the roof now to put the baby there. The baby is in his arms, and now it's lying safe in its mother's nest. We hear chirping, and we are pleased now. The naughty cats won't find a pleasant meal below. They are wandering here and there, but they can't find anything. We stand in front of them as guardians of good act. My son is with us, and he's smiling, full of pleasure. I didn't do anything special, he's saying contentedly to us. But when we want to, our conscience can put things in a better order, and nature finds eventually a perfect balance. The little bird is on the roof now. It's with its mother, and it's growing so naturally. From sunrise to sunset, we hear blissful songs and melodies. Oh, my house above is a beautiful nest with birds from paradise. Thank you for listening to me. My poem, The Little Bird, is included in the magazine Creature Features, the Arc of Writing, that circulates in Cyprus. The editor is Ruby Andredakis. This is issue 25, and the year is 2018. Thank you for listening to me. It's me, Vasiliki Kalahani from Greece. Have a beautiful 2026, a wonderful year, full of the best pleasures in the world for you, my darlings, and spiritual pleasures and material pleasures, of course. But in all of this, the center is literature, in the center is poetry. Thank you, my darlings. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Thank you for listening to me.